Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Jack. Sami, you are watching my video on YouTube channel. Welcome to my channel. Last time I created a video about how to write a proposal through AI, not ChatGPT. I am using another tool which is help to write a amazing proposal for your open description. Let's see. I am using this website. You will click on My Tools, and 3 or 4 tools are available: AI Proposal Writer, AI Question Writer, Upwork, Job Filter Extraction, Upwork Profile Optimizer. I am using AI Proposal Writer. Here is a 3 version. You try must Classic V1, Classic V2, Final V3 Beta. I am using new version 2. This is a description of our job. Need help with Amazon jewelry listing with like to Excel template and main thing is good for keywords. Just I'm copying this description job and just paste on here. You submit. This is description in this tool. Let's see, your proposal is ready for job. Look like a beautiful. Hi, to help your Amazon jewelry listing, could you please provide me specific requirement for the Excel template additionally in or another particular keywords or key phrase that you would to like me to focus to or optimize your listing. Last, just copy and paste. Look like this. I am apply for job. I have no connect, but I also tell you how to apply. Proposal writing. You select your profile just like e-commerce, web development, creative writing, which you want to access this proposal for submit. By milestone, by project which you want. Just cover letter, just copy and paste. Best regard through must mention your name in description. You can select any mistake you use grammar extension for your keywords, suggestion for your words meaning for another piece. How to write an amazing proposal look like this. I am providing I try my best. Subscribe my channel for the latest video. Thanks for watching. Allah peace.